When we set up Fettle 2 years ago, we had just one mission: to bring faff-free bike repair to riders everywhere. Since then, we've set up 5 bustling workshops, serviced thousands of bikes, and grown our revenue by 520% year on year.
With the number of riders going up and up, so we believe will our numbers. Over the next decade, it's forecasted that bikes will outsell cars 2 to 1. Somebody's got to service them, and that's why we're building 90 workshops across the UK.
Bikes, what a marvel. Social, good exercise, eco-friendly and cost-effective. They just couldn't be better.
But while it's more popular than ever to buy a bike, it's harder than ever to get one serviced.
I think it's safe to say that bike repair has been stuck in the dark ages. You're still faced with long waits, unnecessary hassle, and feeling totally out of your depth in old school repair shops, or even your local shop closing.
That's why Fettle was born. We're reinventing repair and putting the service back into servicing. Our app and website are a complete game changer for the whole customer experience. It couldn't be easier. Just book online or with the app. Approve your quote before any work start. And if you can't get to a workshop because, well, life, no sweat. We offer home pick-up and delivery to and from the workshop. You'll get real-time updates while your bike's in the workshop and quality technical service from some of the best trained and super friendly mechanics.
Hello!
And you can even link up our app to Strava to get service reminders based on your riding. Simple, reassuring and seamless, it's our goal to bring extraordinary service and zero faff to all kinds of riders.
I'm really excited to be part of this project. It's good for cycling, and cycling's good for everyone.
We're building a brand that serves the mainstream commuter audience better than anybody else. A million more people took to the saddle during COVID in the UK. Many of them for the first time. We're here to keep them there, to keep them riding faff-free.
I've helped build and scale automotive servicing startups with a huge network of workshops. And if I can do that for 4 wheels, then 2 wheels is no different. And as we grow, we become more and more useful for all the manufacturers and logistics companies that are moving over to bikes.
Cycling is growing everywhere, as is technological innovation. Combining the two makes for a really exciting business proposition for landlords, cyclists and investors.
We've spent the last 21 months perfecting our processes, working out the best network of workshops, creating a training programme for our mechanics and building groundbreaking tech. We've also assembled an experienced management team from a whole range of industries who also just so happen to love cycling.
We've raised just over £1 million from high-profile investors. Now we're ready to take on new capital so we can expand nationally.
Our customers are loving the 5-star service, so we think it's time to take it nationwide. We're giving you the chance to own a piece of Fettle's future with our first ever crowdfunding campaign. The money will be used to grow our team, invest in brand and marketing, build fantastic technology and fund our national expansion. London is just the beginning. Soon we'll be peddling our services up and down the country.
To invest or find out more, check out the rest of the information on our Crowdcube page. Join us in bringing faff-free bike repair and sustainable travel to riders everywhere.